So we've created all of these budgets as part of the operating budget, which again is part of the master budget. So what's next on our list is the cost of goods sold budget. So we're going to calculate the cost of all those bats that we plan to sell. So we are on this section here. It says, before preparing the cost of goods sold budget, calculate the projected manufacturing cost per bat. So before we can figure out the total cost of the bats that we sold, we have to figure out, well, how much does it cost to make a bat? What are the three different product costs? They are direct materials, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead. So the direct materials cost per bat is over here. Direct materials cost is $7 for a youth bat, $9 for an adult. So $7 for youth, $9 for adult. Next comes the direct labor cost per bat. So that information is right here. Each bat requires a half an hour of direct labor, 0.5, and direct labor costs average $15 per hour. So for one bat, it's going to take us a half an hour at $15 per hour. So $15 per hour times a half gives us $7.50 of direct labor cost per bat. Next is the manufacturing overhead cost per bat. We already calculate that up here in our manufacturing overhead budget. So the way this worked is we calculated that it's going to cost $8 of manufacturing overhead that we're going to allocate per hour. And how do we know it's per hour? Because to calculate this $8, we took $15,840 of manufacturing overhead and spread it over 1,980 hours. So the result is $8 of overhead per hour of direct labor. So let's go back to manufacturing overhead cost per bat. So how many hours did it say it takes to make a bat? It takes a half an hour. So a half an hour of $8 per hour. So $8 per hour times half an hour gives us $4. So those are our total manufacturing costs per bat. So we're going to add these up. $7 and $7 is $14 plus $4.50. So that's $18.50 per bat. And for this, we've got, $20.50 per bat. So if you want to see those calculations again, here they are written out. Direct materials cost per bat, the $7 came from here, $9 came from here, and the direct labor, that came from over here. We've got half an hour of direct labor, and direct labor is $15 an hour. So that's how we calculated that. And the manufacturing overhead cost per bat, the half an hour came from right here. And this $8 per hour came from our predetermined overhead allocation rate.